0, 1, 2, 3. Let's get started.
Real good.
So I was in court today, and a funny thing happened. Nobody else knows my other social media unless they've been following me on TikTok. And well, there was a rule to show cause for me violating a no contact order. I'm sorry, not a no contact order. The no posting my son on social media order. Funny thing is, my ex-wife admitted in court today about a video I posted on this platform pertaining to said case. Now, the judge can hit me with a gag order all she wants. I don't care. She ain't going to silence me. It's a violation of my First Amendment right. It's called I'm protected. And since I'm protected under the U.S. Constitution, she's not immune to penalties set forth by a federal court if she violates the U.S. Constitution. So far, I've got a 14th Amendment violation in a federal court right now against this judge. And the longer she refuses to recuse herself from the case and keeps violating my constitutional rights, just keeps continuing to add to my complaint. So I don't really care. It's called freedom of speech, freedom of religious expression. I have a right to keep and bear arms, and that right shall not be infringed. That means orders of protections are infringement upon the Second Amendment. Then you deny me my 14th Amendment and my 4th Amendment by denying me due process because... And what's my ex-wife all butthurt about? And then she testified that the court order that was sent up to her from Tennessee was not a lawful court order because it lacked the judge's signature and it lacked a notary public. And according to the judge this morning, because I was in that court first because we're an hour ahead of Chicago, that judge said, my judiciary officer who signed the order, it's like me signing it. As far as the notary public goes, in the state of Tennessee, the county clerk's stamp sits higher than a notary public and holds more weight than a notary public. Illinois just refused to adhere to a court order and serve it. And the judge was actually surprised that I drove it up there to be served for Illinois to refuse to serve it. So now the judge has deferred it to the Tennessee Highway Patrol to have a federal agency make sure that either the county, the state, or the local municipality serves it. And how does this work? Well, see, Illinois' got jurisdiction over my son. But see, I don't live in Illinois, so I don't have to adhere to Illinois law. Their laws stop at the border. It's not federal law, so it doesn't apply to me. Only federal law applies to me when it comes to all 50 states. They're not a federal court. They're a state court. They're a county circuit court. And in the Justice Department, they are considered the lower court, which means that the higher court is the U.S. Supreme Court, which is the law of the land. I only have to adhere to Tennessee law because I live in Tennessee.
Oh, that's real good.
So what's my ex-wife butthurt about? Well, I'll show you. Funny thing is while she's butthurt over this, she signed a release to my son's school to allow them to do this.
Ain't nobody stopping me. Ain't nobody stopping me. Ain't nobody stopping me. Ain't nobody stopping me.
Yet, I'm not allowed to post any photos on my son on social media. Things that we're doing that's fun. Well, I got a crap ton of pictures. So guess what I'm going to do when I get home? And then she further stated and implicated that she stalks my social media because she mentioned this video. Because for some reason, me teaching my son firearm safety, and it was posted to a TikTok video that I created for the end of the year, and it shows my son properly holding a firearm. Now, mind you, he's wearing my body armor too, but the weapon is locked back. There's no magazine in it. His finger's not on the trigger. He's holding it properly, but apparently my ex-wife has got an issue. So in closing, to my stalker, who is assisting Moira, I know who you are, Mary Ackman. I have evidence of it, Mary Ackman. And unless you want to be held in a litigation for a civil rights violation, I suggest you cease and desist. Because if found guilty in court of violating civil rights, it comes with a hefty fine of millions upon millions of dollars. So, throwing that out there, you've been warned. I'm not playing. I'm tired of it. I've played this game since 2018 trying to see my son. And you and your supposed Saint Mora have tried stopping me every which way, claiming that I abandoned my son and everything else. Guess what? I didn't. All I did was go and reach out to employers in other states. Happened to get a job in another state. That was to benefit my son, not to abandon him. So if you want to know the whole truth and the whole story, Miss Ackman, why don't you come to the horse and get it from the horse's mouth instead of making assumptions and believing everything you see on social media. That's right. You're a typical Irishman and a troublemaker.